Well, it's raining. So I'm gonna work on this pile of shit. I'm gonna stick 4 of these piles in 2 boxes, wire it all up. Excuse the garage, it is a complete mess and disaster. And I'm gonna take this guy out. This I will post a video on. Shit, maybe later, I don't know. But that's a Gately box, and this is not about that. This is about these piles. So I've got 100 feet of 16 gauge OFC wire that I'm gonna use to wire all this crap up. Screw gun, and just like some deck screws. Standard drive, T25 bit, all that stuff. So let's get it in there. I'm really curious to see how this sounds, because in that little ported box, they didn't sound bad. So we'll see how they sound sealed, which is probably how most people that buy these are going to run them. And let's put a little power behind it and see what it does. So I got all my wire cut, and now that I'm looking at it, 16 gauge is puny little stuff, but we'll be fine. So I'm doing, I'll wire these, so they're D4s, I'm gonna wire it down to like a 2 ohm load. So yeah, I think each one of these is like 1.1 cubes or whatever, so plenty of space for those little piles. They could probably fit on something a lot smaller. Terminal cups on these things suck. I'm probably gonna put, damn, I'm gonna have to put some little spade things on there. Damn it. All right, but yep, I don't want to exhaust a lot of resources. I was gonna just use these cheap things. And the way these are, they just unscrew. See the nuts there. I don't know if this is gonna be upside down or not, but yeah. But these spin whenever you undo the back, so you got to hold that, and you can't really hold it because I feel like it's binding up the spring in there. So I was like gonna jack it all up, didn't fit with the crap. So I just wrapped the bare wire around the little tabs on there, and then put a little heat shrink. I would have used duct tape, but I think this is probably faster and easier than just trying to wrap a piece of duct tape around there, or not duct tape, electrical tape. So that's how they're gonna be connected in there. And if you cared, I don't know, you can see that, but it's these little prongs or whatever. Stick it through the hole, wrap it around, then I'll put pull the heat shrink down over it, and that's it. Time to open these up. So I'm like thinking while I'm doing this, like, I don't want to be a how-to channel. This is not, I'm not smart enough, and this is not gonna be anything worthy of actually. This is just part of ordering crap like this, you know. And it just showed up real jacked up, like. But I'm gonna drop it in there and just bang on it with a hammer and screw it down and call it good. I mean, good enough for the girls I run with, you know. Just get a little tap, tap, tappy. One more to go. So go to open the last one. It's not even the same sub. It actually looks a lot nicer. So we'll play with this here in a second. But yeah, first off, I was like, the box isn't even the same. Then I like, oh, it's not even the same sub. It's not even close. This is it. Shit, I think they have the same part number. But we'll see what this is about later. But I do have another one of these piles that I'm gonna throw in there. All right, so they're in there. Really no other way to get them in here. I guess we could like lay the one on its top, like. I guess we could do it like that. Have 2 firing forward, 2 firing up. I don't know. All right, let me finish wiring up and let's play something. Take no wiring advice from me, but of course I cut all these too damn short. And I got them wired up into the amp. And the settings are exactly the same as what I had when I was when I had those the scars in here. So it's gonna be way more than those can handle. But all right, I'm getting excited. Let's get in there and play something. Should I have them both? Should I have it up like this? Let me have them. I'm gonna have them. You know what? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip that one back down so we can see them all move at the same time.
Be with me if you a go-getter. Come with me if you wanna be a winner. Got a pocket full of money, be a spender. Go to Gucci, go to Benner. Bitches sucking dick just to get some clout. But I'll rip it up, then I'm dipping out. Bitches chasing after stars and I'm shooting. jet, but I'm running kinda late. Playing these shows, flying state to state. Y'all wanna argue, but it's not up for debate. Getting fucked up in my ballroom in my estate. Got so many hoes, can't remember the names. Dipping in the foreign, don't care where I'm going. I'm a valedictorian, and I keep the lyrics pulled. Straight up, take your bitch out there, and I'll make a switch. And there by 710, you can call me the splinter. Flags in the air when I'm all up in her. Yeah, in the air when I'm all up in her. Be with me if you a go-getter. Come with me.
They're not really hot.
It's
kind of surprising. Roll back into it.
Go to dinner. Be with me if you a go-getter. Come with me if you wanna be a winner. Got a pocket full of money, be a spender. Go to Gucci, go to Finna. Take a private jet just to go to dinner. Just to find us, yeah, I know how to get her. Hop up in the Lexus, hit the air. Keep a pistol on my hip in case I dare slide. Look at you, now look at us. We're making moves, you in the dust. We're breaking rules, you in the stuck. Hating on the crew, we ate it up. Be with me if you a go-getter. Come with me if you wanna be a winner. Got a pocket full of money, be a spender. Go to Gucci, go to Finna. Be with me if you a go-getter. Got a pocket full of money, be a spender. Go to Gucci, go to Finna. Take a private jet just to go to dinner. Just to find us, yeah, I know how to get her. Hop up in the Lexus, hit the air. Keep a pistol on my hip in case I dare slide. Look at you, now look at us. We're making moves, you in the dust.
I mean, the lighting sucks. It's not great. So yeah, I figured, you know, obviously they're not that good of a sub. They're not terrible. If that's all you can afford, sorry, I'm not trying to knock you, but I mean, it is what it is. They're cheap subs. They're like $25. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, I put 4 of them here just to kind of see like what it would do, you know, if it's, you know, cone area is king, as they say, you know. And I mean, that's plenty of cone area. That's 4 12s. Like the 2 Scar DDX and like Scars aren't even really that great of a sub either. Blow these 4 away, like blow them away. Granted, I know that the box they're in is an expensive box. It's, you know, whatever. But I mean, I'm giving these about the same amount of power. I turned the gain all the way up on it just to, I mean, see what it would do. And I mean, damn, it's not bad. And you know what? For the money, honestly, you get 2 of these, you get a cheap, like a power acoustic amp or something. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, look at it. Whatever. It's fun, you know. I mean, that's like car audio. It's supposed to be fun. Would I recommend somebody buying these? Nah, probably not, honestly. I mean, we did the one box, the ported box, and yeah, honestly, they sounded better in the ported box, honestly. I think I played the same songs, so just the one, and maybe it's just me that I was expecting, you know, maybe I was expecting a little more, being as there's 4, but I mean, it is what it is. They're just some cheapo little pyles, and like I say, I think they're wired to a 4 ohm load right now. You know, what does it say? They're 1200 watts max. I mean, whatever. That's, you know, call it they're probably around 400 RMS subs, maybe 5, maybe. They would not survive this very long. Like, I mean, if I were to drive around like that, listen to it like that all day, oh, they'd be gone. They would burn up. I mean, they're a little warm. I mean, but I just don't think they would survive very long like that. I mean, it is what it is. Hey, if anybody wants some PYLE subs, I'll sell each one of those little boxes right there for like 20 bucks. Come pick it up.
Go to Venice.